Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on the Mercari app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your profile picture. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Mercari app. Next, you want to go ahead and click on Profile on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and click on Settings towards the bottom hand side, and then click on Edit Profile. Next, click on Change Photo, and then this is where you can either take a photo or access your library in order to change your profile picture. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your profile photo on the Mercari app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.